The YIZHAN 48MP 4K electronic soldering microscope is a powerful and versatile tool designed for professionals and hobbyists who require precise visual inspection for soldering, electronics repair, or microscopic observation. Equipped with a high-resolution 48MP Panasonic sensor, this microscope camera delivers stunningly detailed images and video through both HDMI and USB outputs. It supports HDMI output at a smooth 60 frames per second in full HD 1080p, while also offering 4K and 2K video saving options. Whether you need real-time viewing or video recording, this microscope ensures a seamless and clear experience. The camera supports a range of output resolutions, including 8000 by 6000 at 48MP down to 4608 by 3456 at 16MP. It also offers digital zoom up to 5x, adjustable white balance, and a grid system with multiple crosshair and line settings, ideal for detailed measurements and alignment. The camera can save videos in MOV format to a TF card up to 32 GB and is housed in durable all-metal construction. It's compatible with C-mount lenses and offers mirroring and multiple display ratios like 16:9 and 4:3. The included 1x150x lens delivers adjustable magnification power and a working distance from 50mm to 1000mm, with a zoom ratio of 1:15. The view field ranges from a close 4.2mm to a broad 130mm, making it adaptable for different levels of detail. With its compact size and weight of only 195 grams, the lens is both lightweight and powerful. For illumination, the microscope features a 56 LED ring light with an impressive lifespan of 100,000 hours. It provides intense, shadow-free lighting with adjustable brightness from 0% to 100%, ensuring clear visibility of even the smallest components. It fits lens diameters from 30mm to 63mm and supports a working distance up to 400mm. The adjustable bracket that comes with the microscope extends to 400mm vertically and 390mm horizontally, offering a stable and versatile platform for different inspection angles. It supports a maximum installation thickness of 50mm and is recommended for use with additional lighting when working at extended distances. This complete package includes the camera, a 150x lens, LED ring light, and a sturdy stand, making it ready for use straight out of the box. Ideal for electronics work, PCB inspection, or even detailed crafts and hobbies, the YIZHAN 48MP microscope offers premium functionality at an excellent value.